How to set up Microsoft Authenticator app. So first of all, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the Microsoft Authenticator on your device. And once downloaded, simply open the Microsoft Authenticator, and once in there, tap on the Accept button available there. Once you tap on the Accept, navigate to the another process. Now you will have to sign in. All you have to do is sign in using your Microsoft account. Tap on the Continue button available there. And once you sign in, simply choose Setup Authenticator app and a QR code will appear. And once added, you will generate 6-digit codes every 30 seconds. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.